my contemporaries here, I actually started much later as a musician. I started at the age of 30 and had to start with the rudiments, the hot cross buns, all of those. And you all laugh. You laugh. But those teaching tools, Twinkle Twinkle 1155, folks don't even think of it that way. And so I started out as an adult learner, and the first time I saw a harp it was when I was 9. And I wanted to have a harp, but it wasn't available to me in my environment. I grew up in Southern California, in Compton, and my folks couldn't afford it. So we moved forward. I was learning primarily Irish jigs, so Irish jigs, reels, and such on harp, and started studying some classical. And I used to play at the farmers market in Northern California, and I played at every farmers market, and there was a man who saw me there who was one of the local jazz cats in Oakland. He's a trumpet player. And he says, yeah, I put on this jazz jam session up the street here, you should come. I said, oh, wow, cool. And I just learned a little bit of Little Sunflower. Please keep the song, Little Sunflower and All Blues, these you do want to keep in your arsenal. So I had just learned a little bit, and I was like, oh my God, I'm going to sit in with the cats. I thought it was going to be cool. So we got there, and it was my
Molly. Okay, so I'm Molly Johnson. I play drums. And what got me started with jazz was my sisters. We have 2 older sisters. Yeah, and so they started out on like blues and Eric Clapton and everything, and then Dad was like, you 2 really need to become like them. So I was like, sure, why not pick up drums? Something to hit, just go crazy. I just like jazz band because it's just, I just get to sit back and, I just have one thing to do. And then I can listen to everyone else and I'm like, oh, that's what I see.
Perfect timing.